There was once a story about a cat. Just kidding, we're playing Battle Cats. Wait. Probably to do any, you don't need to do anything here. Yes, I do know about this. I do know about Flower Cat, I just have no idea how to do it. Let's see. I can't do that. Too scary. I'm not sure. How to do it? Tell me a team that I should use because I'm kind of weak right now. I'm gonna go here. Here are all my cats. If you want to ask something, just tell me any team that I can use. I'll do it. And yes, I'm playing Battle Cats on the laptop. Yes, I do have Vega. Okay, I'm scared time. Yes, I don't do meat shield. My best chance is using Vega. If I see one horn on my screen, I'm gonna cry. It's near. He's here. Panic time. No Vega time. Ew. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Mom.
I'm fine. Just have to drink water. Come on, Vega. Here I go. I've died 6 times here. 2 times I was able to send you out. You know what? Right now, pause the video right now. Or pause the video right below. Am I gonna get a victory or a lose? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Write it in the comments. I'm waiting. Okay. No more time for waiting. Let's see. Good. Good. Oh no. No sending now. Good. Good. No, that. Well, whoever did that, whoever picked victory, you have to press the like button now. If you press defeat, here's your cookie. I don't have a cookie. Check your door. You have a cookie now. No. Okay. What now? Well, I guess we just better see if I can actually. Well, I'm sad, so I don't want to spend any more energy. Higher score. Yeah. You may unsubscribe now. I hate that sound. I love it when it comes here. And no. Yep, knew it. Okay, sure. Actually, yeah, this is just a short video. Should end the channel. And maybe they didn't BC.